Hey everybody! In this video I'll show you how to make a magic star. This model is a modular origami made of 8 pieces, and each piece is made from a square of paper. You can choose any colors and sizes you like. In this video I'll use 8 different colors and the opposite color on the back of each square. To make the first module, we need to fold the paper in half along both diagonals. So just bring one corner to the opposite corner and make a crease. Now unfold it and do the same for the other diagonal. After that, flip the paper over. Now we'll fold it in half horizontally and vertically. First bring the bottom edge up to the top, crease it well, and unfold it. Next, fold the right edge to the left and unfold it as well. For the next step, fold each corner to the center, creating these diagonal folds. Now unfold all 4 corners, rotate the paper in this position, and fold the top corner down to the mark we just made. Fold the bottom corner the same way. Now using the existing creases, bring the bottom and top side to the center. Rotate the paper and repeat the same process with the other 2 corners. This step is complete. Flip the paper over. As before, fold all 4 corners to the center. All the necessary folds are now done. With this side facing up, open the right side and the left side as well, closing the paper like this. Do the same with the other 2 sides. Once that's done, bring all 4 sides to the center and close the paper like this. Fold in the opposite direction to reinforce the creases again. And the first piece is ready. Make the other 7 pieces. And now, let's assemble them. Open the right side of the first piece. and the left side of the second piece. With both pieces open, insert the second piece into the first one. And close the paper by pushing it from below. Reinforce the folds to secure it. For the next pieces, follow the same steps. Just open the right side of this piece here. And the left side of the next one. Insert the new piece into the previous one. Close the paper from below. Repeat this process with all the other pieces. At the end, carefully insert the first piece into the last one. This part might be a little trickier, but with patience, the result will be beautiful. And our modular origami magic star is ready! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching, see you in the next video!